Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you guys how to season some goat meat. Last time you go to the store, you buy goat, they're going to cut them really big, so you can always just get your knife
and trim it down so you can get more meat.
All right,
for your family. And normally this goat was on sale for like $2.99 a pound, so this was a great deal for our new grocery store that opened in our area. So we're gonna cut it up, and then we're gonna make, what are we making with this?
Curry goat.
What? I can't hear you.
Curry goat.
Oh wow.
So that's what this one to go to, because sometimes, a lot of times the goat is very fatty.
But the fat is not bad in goat.
No.
It's nice and juicy. Alright, and so you just cleaning it up or you just cutting it down?
I'm taking some fat off. If I see excess fat, I'll take it off.
Alright, so we're going to make curry goat for dinner. So this is going to be our little meal. So what are you doing there?
This one got the bone running straight down the middle.
Okay.
And this one is small enough.
Okay.
It's fine.
So tell them the difference between goats.
Goat, you have the woman goat, the man goat, and well, the man goat is usually used more for soup, and they don't really eat woman goat that much. Woman goat is usually just
to make kids.
Yep, but because of shortage in goat, certain places of the world, not calling names, Jamaica, they resort to eating woman goat. But man goat does have a stronger flavor and usually costs more money. So you usually come across a very cheap goat. It's a high probability it's a woman goat.
And use it for manish water?
The manish water, yes. Manish
the
water.
man goat.
Yes, the man goat used for manish water. So
manish water. And the head?
Yes.
The foot? And the tripe.
Tripe. That's what she used to make manish water. Which, you know what, we should make that one day.
Oh, so they call it manish water. I think we just used to call it goat water.
Oh, you just call it goat water?
They used to use it for like weddings. People get weddings. Because my aunt, when she got married, we had a beach party and they had goat. We had goat water for it. And for in Jamaica when they have dance, seto, funeral. And funerals. Well,
you know, that's probably why I know goat in Jamaica, you know, because I pay a funeral like on Jamaica.
I know for goat water, I know that's one thing for weddings. I know that people have that.
So pretty much, like I said, I just want to go through, clean up any excess fat. See, it wasn't that bad, but out of that one pile, we got more. So you don't really want to have your goat too big, and a lot of times it's usually better to just buy a whole goat leg. That way you're gonna get more meat out of the leg, but the leg usually costs more money because they realize that it's more meat in the leg. So
then we're gonna season it and let it sit overnight for at least 2 days, and we're gonna stew this up on Sunday.
All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and season it. We're gonna put it in our trusty bowl, and it would be ideal if you have a pressure cooker, because the sucker goat meat is usually very hard.
Yeah, if you have a pressure cooker, cook faster. If you cook it over the stuff, you have to cook it for like 4 to 5 hours.
Not 4 to 5 hours, so maybe like an hour and a half, on high heat. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna wash the goat off. All right, now this is our seasoning that we made, which consists of.
It's cilantro, culantro, parsley, thyme, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, shallots, garlic, and olive oil. 2 cups of olive oil. And this is our green season that we came up with. It's a rendition of the SP and the green seasoning. All
right, so we're gonna have a video showing you guys how to make it. So we're gonna put some on. How much are we putting?
I'm gonna put a pot spoon because it's a lot of goat we have, and we're gonna mix it in. And then this is a base that we use. All
right, and this is our seasoning, which consists of
complete curry, non-seasoned salt, pepper, and adobo.
All right, so mix it in.
So we're gonna mix it all in together, but we should mix the Ipsy up first in the meat.
Okay, and mix the who?
Oh, the green season.
The green season.
Green season. So we're gonna blend it in. Get it over the meat good.
And this thing smells really good. I'm curious to can I try it with some crackers? I'm gonna try it.
So you can smell the garlic and everything.
Yes, it's very good. Oh, wow.
All right, and then we're gonna throw our dry seasoning over across it.
And we're gonna have everything in the description.
There you go. And we're gonna mix it up.
Everything's gonna be in the description, so you guys could go ahead and try it.
And tell me how you like it. And you can always put your own twist, which I did. Put my own little twist in there. So there we go. Oh, and it's all gonna be a Sunday dinner. And we'll put more curry in later on when we're cooking it.
Alright, and we're gonna have a video showing how to cook it. This is a video how to marinate. A lot of times people don't know how to marinate. Every time they try to cram everything in one video and it doesn't give you all the details of how to do it. So that's why we decided to split the video, so we could give you guys greater details on how to properly season and marinate your meat overnight. I always try to let your meat sit at least 24 hours before you're cooking it, just to trap in all the flavors. And what's gonna happen is the marinade is also gonna break down the meat to make the meat more tender. So I always keep that in mind. And flavor wise, everything's gonna trap in it. It's gonna bring out the natural flavor of everything. So just by leaving your meat overnight, it's gonna work out better in all phases of cooking. All right, so pretty much as we said, this is the goat meat. We got it. We cut it up to make it smaller, trim the fat off, and there you go. So all right,
don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment up below.
And if you have anything you want us to just try, just leave a comment and we're more than happy to try it for you guys. Bye.